Hello and welcome to this new video on how you can sign up on the app Spotify. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started with the tutorial. So firstly, you need to open the web browser of your choice, and in the top of the web browser there is a search bar. You just have to click on the search bar and type Spotify and press enter in your keyboard, and this web search result will be shown. And in the first web search result, it is the Spotify. You just have to click on it and the Spotify will open, and in the top right corner there is a login and sign up option. So let's click on the sign up option here. After that, they will ask me to enter my email address. I'll just enter my email address. And when I've successfully added my email address, I'll just click on the next option that is right down here. Click on it. I need to add my password. And when I have entered my password, I'll just click on the next button. After this, I need to fill up this form, that is enter my name that will be shown in my profile, and my date of birth and my gender. So I'll just enter my name. After that, I need to enter my date of birth. Now I need to select my gender. So I'll just select it, and there is a next button. You just have to click on the next button. And now I just need to agree to all these things, especially to the privacy policy. If you don't want to agree to the upper two options, then you can just unclick it as well. But I am just clicking it here for now. So I'll just click on the sign up button that is right here. I'll just click on it. And I have to wait for a few seconds depending on my internet connection. As you can see now, I have successfully signed up to my Spotify account. So this is how you can easily sign up in the Spotify. So if this video is helpful to you, give a thumbs up. Thank you.